Let us now look at social media and the pick me epidemic. Yes, ladies, let us be real. Social media has changed the game in dating. Some women, they're doing too much just to get male attention. These women are overgiving, overproving, and they are over chasing these men. Meanwhile, some men, they're just sitting back, they're enjoying the attention, and they are doing nothing in return. For example, there are women in men DMs, they're sending compliments, they're planning dates, while the man barely responds or give bare minimum attention. Back in the day, a man had to work for a woman's attention. Now, all that man has to do is just to post a selfie and wait. Let us look at no more effort, the era of soft men. Some men, they want to be in a relationship, but they do not want to put in the work. They want you to text first, plan the date, remind them to call, and even pay for things while they just show up. Instead of stepping up, these men, they are waiting for women to chase and prove their worth to them. Ladies, there are many cases where you match with a guy and he says, you know that we should link up sometimes, but that man never sets a time or place. All of a sudden, you remind that man, and then guess what, ladies? You are the one planning and organizing the entire date. Let us now look at the low effort dating trend. Some men in 2025, they do not believe that they should impress women anymore. Netflix and chill, no date plans, just come over and vibe. No real conversation, just dry texting and what you do in messages. Ladies, do we really want to settle for this?